Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are all good. As you can see, today we have a new fresh front bumper. We will prepare it for painting. We will apply a small thin layer of primer for plastics. Also we will paint the rear bumper because it has some small cracks on the painting, and we will paint it all again. Okay guys, that's it for this episode. As you can see, we have the rear and the front bumper fully painted. They are perfect, so stay tuned, because at the next episode we will assemble the whole outside of our car. Maybe we will have new rims, replace some broken parts around the car. Ring that bell down below, it says that we have uploaded a video. Subscribe to our channel also, and see you on the next one.